क्या करना है, हमें इस सेल का पावर t इक्वल टू 4ln2 पे फाइंड करना है. So this is an LR circuit with a cell, complex LR circuit with a cell. So let us see. We'll write KVL for the circuit. This is current I. The current through the cell, the inductor branch is I1, and this current will become I minus I1. Now writing KVL for this loop. So for this loop 1, the KVL will be E minus, here this is IR, then there is minus I1 into 2R, and then we have minus L di1 by dt. This is equal to 0, first equation. Now we'll write KVL for loop 2. So loop 2 will be this bigger loop like this. So this is loop 2. So for loop 2, let's write the same KVL. It is E minus IR minus, here the current in upper branch is I minus I1R, this equal to 0, second equation. Now we'll solve these two. We have this first equation for loop 1 and second equation for loop 2. Now from loop 2 equation we get the expression for current in terms of I1, and then we put this in equation 1. So when we put in this equation 1, we get this equation, and this is a differential equation where there is only one variable and that variable is I1. So I1 का differential equation है ये. अब इस चीज़ को हम ध्यान देते हैं कि हमें I1 का differential. So here we can see that how we separate the variables, and separating these variables we solve this differential equation, and solving these will the power. पावर कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम I1 का एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हमने R की वैल्यू रख दी, L की वैल्यू रख दी और T को रखा. When we solve this part, you can see here 2ln2 will become ln4, and this minus sign, so it will become ln1 by 4, and e to the power ln1 by 4 will become minus 1 by 4, and then we solve these equations. So we'll calculate what is I here. So what is I? The now I is E plus I1R. So what is I1R? So this is 3E by 20R into R divided by 2R. So what we are getting? We are getting this as, this gets eliminated, and so we are getting this as 23R divided by 40R. Now if there is a battery and you know the current through the battery and you know the EMF, so what is the power? Power is E into I, power, that is the power delivered.